Show us your face.
Not right now.
It's hot too. Hey bitch, it's me BretmanRock, and for today's video, bitch, I'm bringing someone who's mediocre looking. You guys already know her. She's not that cute. You already know. So don't expect much. Please welcome on stage Princess May and company Cleo. Oh my gosh, Cleo. Oh my gosh. Hey girl. Come here. You want to tell everyone what we're doing today, Cleo girl? Alright, Princess, tell everyone what we're doing today.
I don't even know.
You fucking know, we covered this. Just this.
Oh.
Dumbass. Hurry up. Girl, let me just do it. Alright, so we are doing the spicy ramen challenge, bitch. So, as you guys know, I already did the challenge with one of it. It was with the black one. This one, however, this one is 2 times spicier, and I actually did try this already, girl. Sorry. I already tried this, girl, and let me tell you, I was crying. Girl, I was crying. Girl, I can't say the B word, girl, because someone's around, but yes, she was here. We are just gonna eat 1 packet each, because girl, I don't know if I can do 2, because last time I ate this shit, oh my god. The first one wasn't that bad, like it really wasn't, like I could eat that like on a cold day. But this one, I cannot even eat this if I'm like freezing to death, like it's that spicy. So I don't know if you want to try it, but oh my god, I'm so tired of opening this. Like, let me just get 2. So cook it. Cook it!
I am?
Yes, I'm gonna take care of Cleo. Cleo, you're gonna have to go backstage, and by backstage I mean my room, because you cannot be hearing my language. Bye, Cleo.
I really am?
It's okay. Can you move? Now we're gonna put the water in the pan and the pan in the water. No, we're gonna. Bitch!
You put the water in the pan, pan in the water.
No, dumbass. You put the water in the pan and the pan in the stove. Dumb bitch. May dasam ane! Nagbayag ka nga, gargaraw. Hurry up! You can cook it. Now, put it in. It's like cooking pancit canton. Like, but. Oh my god. Her dumbass almost just put this. Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. Was that you or me?
That's you, boo.
Alright. You caught me slipping, alright? Alright. She caught me slipping. Somebody get the taco! Alright, so we're gonna split this half and half.
Okay, wait.
What do you mean, okay, wait?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll have the glass closed. It's actually low-key good. Oh wait, actually...
That's all?
Yes, that's fucking all. Okay, you can have those. You can have a little bit more of mine, I guess. Oh my god, bitch. My mouth be watering.
Give me the dough.
Oh shit, sorry. My mouth be watering. Like, my mouth loves this shit. My mouth loves to be... Wait, okay, honestly, I cannot do this. I'm not even gonna go. Oh my god, bitch. I hate this smell. Oh my god. The 2 times spicy one is actually 2 times spicy. And the first one was already spicy, but it was like a good spicy, like handleable spicy. This shit, oh my god. Oh my god. By the way, for anyone that's wondering where I got this from, I got it on Amazon. Are you serious?
Oh, sorry.
What is this gonna save? Sit face ass and watch. She's gonna make a bigger cup for herself. You better fucking make the same amount of cup, bitch. Let me mix yours. You're taking too fucking long. Like, what is this? Commercial break? Like, we're on a roll, bitch. This is live.
I got mine, don't touch it.
Okay, on my video, I actually like I just swallow the noodles.
Okay.
You have to chew. You have to chew.
Mm.
Okay, here, I'm
Are you
gonna
gonna-
chew. Yes, I'm gonna chew.
How am I gonna know you're chewing?
Because you're gonna fucking see me chewing, bitch. The fuck? Hurry up!
Wait. Do the face again.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Wait!
Bitch, I haven't even said go. Already said.
I'm scared. What if I can't finish it?
Then you finish it.
No, I can't. What if I
I
can't?
will fucking feed it to you while you're asleep, bitch. Hurry the fuck up!
Wait! Fuck.
You better at least finish it. You have to finish it. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, why the fuck are you? Oh my god!
That's fucking spicy, bitch.
Yeah, I know. My mouth is watering just from the scent. Hurry up.
Wait, bitch.
I'm like gagging.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
You
go.
go. I hate chewing my noodles.
Why are you not even chewing?
I am! You're just OA.
You are not chewing, bitch. This is hot, Cleo.
Me die. Bitch, I told you it's hot. You gotta be calm. Show your fucking face. She in tears. Stop. Stop. You cannot turn around. You're making me laugh. Honestly, the water killed my vibrance. Oh my god!
I can't do this.
Nakagargarampingat ka mo kami. Bitch, I be crying. I just finished. Bitch, I'm sweating. I love your foundation. Princess, take another bite.
No, I don't want anymore.
Take another bite. Mine for the viewers.
I don't care.
Your foundation.
Wait, bitch. I have to take a shit.
I'm dying. I'm dying. Princess. Show us your face.
Not right now.
It's hot too. Y'all. Oh my god, you guys. That got me fucked up, bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this even recording me? Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got me balling. Let me show you my fish head. Princess, show us your face. Come to the light.
Hey!
Tell us a review.
Film a fucking ending because I don't want to.
Look at me.
My eyes are red. Well, not red. I'm not filming an ending with Red. I have to redo my makeup then.
Her highlight is gone. Contour gone. Lashes are on because they're paid for. Alright, you guys, that was it. What did you think of that challenge? How spicy was it? She hasn't even fucking completed hers.
I did it. It was a lot.
Like, I finished it. She didn't do half. You didn't do shit.
What do you mean?
How spicy was it?
It was really spicy, like super spicy.
I know. It's the spiciest thing you've ever had.
No.
Then why the fuck can't you eat it? Take another bite.
No, bitch. I mean, I can, but I'm just...
Take another bite. Like, finish the challenge. You gotta be relaxed. Don't think about it. Like, it's not spicy. It's only spicy if you let it be spicy.
Is that my drink?
No. But...
No, right.
Did it go in the back of your tongue?
Yeah, I did.
But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also share it. If you guys have any more video ideas, also please leave those on the description down below because we always are open for more ideas for videos. Do you want to say anything, Princess?
Please follow me in all my social media. Instagram, MayLoveCleo, Snapchat, BABBYMAE, and Twitter, LoveXMay. Bye!
Bitch, I didn't even say mine yet.
Sorry.
Please follow me on all my social media. Everything is at BretmanRock. Twitter at BretmanRock. Snapchat at BretmanRock. Instagram, of course, at BretmanRock. YouTube at BretmanRock. But bitch, you're already motherfucking here. Might as well motherfucking subscribe, bitch. I also have 2 other Instagram pages, Bret's Pets, where I feature all my pets, my 4 cats, my 1 dog, and my 2 guinea pigs. And then I also have a makeup page at Bretman's Vanity. Give it a follow. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Bye!
Bye!